Hello viewer, we will generate the designs here, create the further shapes, and again keep on making these shapes. We will generate more designs. So there we will have that one. Let's create further and keep on making the shapes. So there it is. We have made many clones here. We can use the paint tool to cover up the whole area. So we have only that one.